To win an Oscar.
Thomas Ardavany lays out the bases on which an Oscar-winning performance can be built in the May 9th, 2026 workshop. To win an Oscar, you have to understand that talent alone is only the foundation. It's the relentless refinement of craft that carries you across the threshold. You must inhabit a life on screen so completely that every small decision feels inevitable. That means deep preparation, text work, objective setting, mining the personal and instinctual origins of action, and then stripping that work away so the moment reads as spontaneous. The Academy rewards truth rendered with technical precision, subtle shifts in timing, micro transitions, a calibrated breath, and unrehearsed silence. Those are the things that, in aggregate, make a performance unforgettable. You also need material that gives you room to demonstrate range and moral complexity. Oscar performances typically live inside characters who are flawed, consequential, and under pressure. People whose choices ripple outward and invite strong opinions. Seeking out, or helping shape, roles that are musically, emotionally, or culturally distinctive gives you the scaffolding to show everything you can do: voice, physicality, temperament, transformation. But a great role without rigorous preparation is a missed opportunity. You must treat every scene like a miniature audition for the whole film. Collaboration is non-negotiable. You don't win alone. You need directors who trust you and writers who give you layered material, cinematographers and editors who can capture and preserve the fine details, a team that elevates rather than dilutes your work. And you must be able to take guidance, absorb notes, and yet remain autonomous enough to insist on truths that serve the character. The intersection of a director who sees you clearly and an actor who can deliver precisely is where awards-worthy work is born. Finally, there's the external engine: timing, context, and courage. Controversy and conversation often accompany the most celebrated performances. You must be prepared to stand by bold, possibly divisive choices. Campaigning, visibility, and positioning also matter. Great performances still need to be seen and discussed. But none of that substitutes for craft. If you want an Oscar, invest in daily practice. Become ruthlessly honest in playback. Learn to judge your own work. Choose material that demands everything of you. And be prepared to weather scrutiny. The award is the byproduct of sustained excellence, risk, and the cumulative power of countless tiny, exacting decisions.